Hello, my name is Josh Hankemeier, and I'm from Champaign, Illinois. And now my character Maximilian Mackenzie will audition for you. At least I hope he will.
No, unfortunately, I cannot audition for the puppetry workshop. I have a plane to catch soon, and, well, it's been one of those mornings. My grandmother kept asking me,
Are you sure you have enough warm sweaters for your trip?
I'm going to Kauai. And then my kid nephew, he says,
Please take me to Hawaii with you. I'll be very good, I promise. Please.
and then after that, my cousin from Texas called and he said,
Well, just make sure and send me lots of picture postcards because, I don't email all that much.
so I'm sorry, I can't audition for you, but I'm sure that you'll find a lot of talent at your workshop. So I'm off to Hawaii. Aloha. Melikilikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas, a Merry Christmas, a Merry Christmas to you.